Creating a course in a Thinkific account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into the account and navigate to the home screen, where the left menu offers a range of options. Clicking on Products will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Courses. This will lead to a page with a blue button to create a new course. The platform utilizes AI to assist in the course creation process by providing the AI with a detailed brief on the type of course being sold, including information on the target audience, expected outcomes, and the instructor's background. The AI can generate a more effective output. Writing a paragraph or two to provide the AI with context is recommended, as this will enable it to produce a higher quality result. Once the AI has been briefed, it will create an outline for the course, which can then be edited and refined. The course is typically divided into chapters, each consisting of multiple lessons. These lessons can be formatted in various ways, including text, video, PDF, audio, and downloads. The landing page for the course is also customizable, allowing for the upload of images, videos, and other media. The page's design and layout can be tailored to fit the brand's style, with options to change colors, fonts, and other visual elements. In addition to the landing page, the course settings can be configured to include details such as the course name, instructor name, and pricing. The pricing options range from free to one-time payments, monthly fees, and free trial periods. After setting up the course, it's essential to publish it to make the landing page accessible to potential customers. If the payments have been set up correctly, the course will be live and available for purchase. Overall, creating a course in a Thinkific account is a relatively simple process that can be completed with the help of the platform's AI tools and customization options. By following these steps, users can design and publish their own online courses, making it possible to share knowledge and skills with a wider audience.